Share screen.
We can see item in,
So I'm trying to look at each
we can see product in item.
in where
Under item, we can see product there.
and
We can see it in
I open the stock
sales category.
item. I do not see products here, but quantity per
Quantity.
author is here. Let me look at the order. Let me look at order line. Stock item. We have stock item ID here. We have quantity
Have
order line.
quantity.
Look at order line. We have quantity in order line,
Okay.
and
Okay.
we have stock item ID here that we can connect the two. So before
You
you
have
write,
other idea as well.
we have order ID as well. So we can use order line, one of the table, and the stock, the stock item, the stock item table, we have products here. Do we have this is you can see my screen, right? We have stock ID too
Yes,
here
yes, yes.
that we can connect, uh, and we have quantity per author.
Go.
There's no product here. So which table we can see the
Can we look at sales dot invoices?
sales dot invoices. Sales dot invoices. We don't have okay, we have order ID in sales dot invoices that we can use to connect with other line table. Other line table, we have order ID there too.
No
And
product here.
no
No
product
product here.
here,
No
so we
quantity
cannot
here.
use no quantity.
What
We
about
cannot
sales
use.
invoices line?
Okay, let me close this one.
Maybe sales invoices line.
Stock ID we have quantity, we have unit, no product. So we cannot use invoices line because the question said that find the top products. And from table, other lines table, we have quantity there and stock. I think we can maybe you should be maybe my face. We can find products, stock, this stock item, supplier. mm, Sometimes maybe that product they mention. I'm just that's the issue, challenges that you face when you are writing query. When you don't understand the question very well, it will be giving you a headache. So maybe let's look at another warehouse stock package, no group stock item holding. I don't think we have transaction, no stock item. I think they reversing to quantity per author. We don't have any table that contain products. The only table that we can extract something brand is stock item table.
To have anything that relates to product, we should have it in the warehouse as well.
Yes. And I've opened the warehouse dot stock item. I don't think we can have it with any other warehouse here. We cannot have product in warehouse item transaction. I know that will contain only transaction information. And stock item, yes. You know what? I got it. When they say that the top products from the stock item table that I open, you can see what do you think? Which column do you think it will be products? Yeah, quick answer. From this column here, you can see the results down here. Which column do you think that we can call products? Stock item name.
Let me
They are
see.
all
Oh.
products. The stock item name contain products. You will see USB, Office Cube, or USB food flash drive. But they instead of giving the column product name, they they gave it stock item name. Do you get the logic?
Yes,
No, do you understand what I'm trying to point out here?
yes,
So the
yes.
stock item,
Item name,
yes, is products.
item name and product they are the same thing.
Yes. Yeah, the same thing. So, we are looking at the product column. That's which column is
Okay,
product. So we are
okay.
using order line and warehouse stock item. So let's go and write the query now. So yeah, we are writing it together. So select top 10, right? Let me do the from so I can give the aliases from sales dot order lines as which what aliases can I give you? SO or OL? Which one should I go for? SO or OL? Order line. Let's use SO. Join warehouse stock. The stock item. Right. So as SI. Yeah. Can you tell me? You can check from your end. Which primary key column that's from the two tables that are unique that we can use to connect the two tables together? Are we going to, you can check from you can open the order lines table and the stock items table. The two table, can you tell me the unique? I want to save it so that before I forget. SQL. I'm waiting.
I think we can use stock item ID.
Stock item, good. Yeah. SO dot stock item ID. I don't know if I correct. Am I correct with stock item ID equal to C dot stock item ID? Select top. Yeah, let's come back here. What are we selecting? Yeah, put me through.
Stock item name.
Stock item name. And what?
And the
Stock at
quantity.
quantity. Good. So see the stock item name, comma, and that quantity. The question said that find the top products sold by quantity. So we have to use a function here because we want to know the total quantity sold. So we call the function sum to sum it os dot quantity os dot quantity. I'm creating another column name total quantity. So can name total quantity. So as total quantity sold. So down here we have to go by the stock name. C dot stock name. That SI is the alias that I gave the stock item. C dot stock name, stock item name, order by total quantity. Yes, let me call the alias here. Copy this in the order. Semicolon.
There is an error there.
Yes, yeah.
There's an error there. Group by item name.
Mm.
There's a spelling error there. Item name, stock item name. Under group by.
Do you correct like this?
Fine now.
No, there's error somewhere again. The multiple by
Okay.
identified as C os dot it's
Quantity.
SO not OS. Yeah. So this is the product, the top 10 products. So stock item name. So should we continue tomorrow from
Can we
question
call
10?
the okay? We're
Okay,
supposed to
what
call the okay. I thought we have
we should call what?
included the product ID as well in what we call.
Okay,
I said maybe
we
we could
can
have
use stock
included the
ID.
product ID. Yeah,
Stock
yes, as
ID.
well.
We can call the stock ID too. Yeah, you are right. Stock item ID common.
ID.
To give me error because I need to call it back down here.
Okay.
So when you call it
Okay.
under the
Fine.
select clause, you have to use it in group by two. So we'll continue from 10 to 20 tomorrow. Let's help in them out today. In them, you can share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Mhm. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay.
this is
Mr. Wab,
Express
which
Edition.
one did you download? You install the custom part or the download
Is
media part?
it basic
I think
custom?
just SQL Server database. Can't even remember.
Because download
I
media
think
is
custom
the
or thereabouts. No, you gave us a note.
That note said
I
custom.
think custom or thereabouts.
okay. If it's custom,
Custom,
Your
yes, yes,
note
yes,
that
yes.
you gave us said custom.
No, the guidance for the installing the kini. If I mention
Yes,
custom
yes.
there, you can click on. I don't remember unless I go back to the notes.
It's
It's
custom.
okay.
I
It's okay.
was
Custom
going
is
through it
okay.
yesterday.
yeah.
Mm.
Continue.
Okay. SQL 2025.
Yes. Yes.
Why
Just leave
is it?
this one. Go and
Install.
install. Go and install.
Install.
Okay, install.
Mm. Please, Mr. Wapu, I want please give me some few minutes. I will be right back.
All right, madam.
Yeah, but this Express edition, hope it doesn't have limitation.
No, no, I don't think so. I don't think so.
Because before
It is only
I
trial fashion that has
download.
limitation.
Okay. Okay, so this one is the
There is a
developer
trial
version,
fashion
Abi.
there. I don't
Okay,
even
so
know,
the
but I
same
know the
thing the
Quality Express
developer
is better than,
does, that developer,
yes,
Abi.
because
Okay, because
because
I was watching
in her notes, this is what she
mm,
said.
why
Because
did I even
she
keep her notes here?
specified
Because I
Express.
downloaded it. She specified
She
Express.
specified Express in that in that
Okay, in
in that
that
notebook.
notes. And I was
Yes.
using that notebook here yesterday. I can't even find it. I downloaded it set. I printed it, sorry, so that I could. Because there was one YouTube video I was watching on how to. The man was like the developer is more what was it? For learning, for writing programs, blah 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 like that. So I said, okay, let me do the developer. But at the point, but his own when he did and
I think
installed
that
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 is
developer, I think the problem might be
Visual
that
Studio, it was okay.
that point where you need to connect. It is the name that we are
Yeah,
not
so
getting
the
right.
point,
That's server name. So
exactly.
let's say we check on the
I
internet
mean,
and
what he did
see
for
the
his
right.
own, and I watch it the way he type what he typed itself. Don't know. When I now type my own, the thing did not work. My God, where is this paper now? Okay, let me quickly download the notes that she. Oh, that's my browser. I want to see that note. Okay, I think I downloaded it. SQL installation. See it here. Under SQL Express. Okay, click download.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Under
Yes.
SQL Server. Click download now. Open the download file. Example file name SQL 2022 SSSE this, which now is 2025 because it has been upgraded.
Yes.
So we now have, after opening the installer, select custom.
Custom.
Then benefits, more
Okay.
installation, control, better for learning, allows choosing features and paths.
Choose new
Then
SQL
installation
Server and
center, choose new
standalone
SQL
installation.
Server standalone installation or hard features.
Yeah, go back.
Yes. Okay. I think that was what Madam was asking the other time. So I think I must have done this because I followed this note. You can go back to the installation prompts.
Go back to the installation. How I wish I should come and take your system and do everything.
Is she still here?
Ah, she has gone, maybe her network. That's the issue that we when you are installing the either SQL. Oh yeah, we are here. Share your screen.
Is it the network that threw me out or the meeting expired?
No, it's your network.
Ah.
It's your
Even
network.
this itself was now is moving. It got paused, so my network is bad.
It's your network.
And now, okay, so I
Do we
was trying
continue
to read.
our questions? We should wait for your this thing to download finish.
We can be working on the question.
Okay, let's do that.
Hmm?
Once it's download, just call our attention so that we go back to that. Because it will take some minutes to.
Okay, ma.
So
So
we
let me
have
stop sharing.
question 10. Calculate the total sales amount for each invoice. So, how many tables are we working with here? In them, you can participate to.
I'm going to use invoice
Mhm.
table. Both
Only invoice table.
sales invoice line and sales invoices, I think.
Calculate the total sales amount for each invoice. Just read the question very well, digest it, and I want you to understand. Calculate the total sales amount for each invoice. Let me open the invoice table. Let's see it together. So, from the invoice table, we have invoice ID. We have, because the questions calculate the total sales. Before you calculate the total sales, you have to calculate the price units multiplied by quantity, right? To know the total sales. I'm not accountant.
Let's look at the invoice line.
So let's look at this invoice
Total
table.
sales is unit price times
Price quantity, right?
quantity. Yes.
So this total.
Yes.
This says invoice table, and from the invoice table we have look at it. Okay, I did not see quantity and this thing. So invoice line. Let's look at invoice line. Invoice line. So this invoice line, we have unit and quantity. So everything that we need to calculate the total sales is inside the invoice line.
Yes.
So, and our question said that
Yes.
calculate the total sales amount for each invoice. So, how many table are we using? Only invoice line table.
Do we have invoice number?
From invoice line, yes, we have invoice ID.
Okay.
So, with the question, we are using only invoice line since that the quantity and the unit price are inside the invoice line table. So, we are using only one table. So, yeah, select invoice ID, comma, sum quantity multiplied by unit price plus it's not correct. So I'll copy it from here. Let me think. Copy.
It is that select. That your select. That is not correct.
I was looking at it. I'm thinking everything per minute. From invoice line. Invoice line. So let's group by invoice ID. Copy this. So let's run it. Invoice line. Invalid object name invoice line. Let's me come back.
It lines.
It's lines, yes.
Sales dot invoice line.
It's lines. Sales dot
Sales
invoice
dot
line.
invoice
Okay.
lines.
Yeah. So that is the answer. Column, no column name. So here, let's name it as what? Total sale, right?
Total
As if,
sales.
yes, total sales. Good, perfect. So question 11. Find the average selling price for each stock group. Find average selling price for each stock group. Yeah, let's look at it together. Average selling price for each stock group. So how many table are we looking to? Average sale price from which table? And stock group is one table.
Let's check. We'll look at
Stock
the
item.
stock items.
We look at what? Again? Stock item, stock group.
Sales
We look at stock
and
item, stock group. And we will look at the stock group. I think we are looking into the like 3 different tables. So I'll open it. I'll open stock item first. I'll open save. Yes. So stock
yeah, stock
this
groups.
stock group, this stock group. I have
Stock group
10 minutes.
ID, stock group
Stock
name.
item, stock group, and stock item. So let's look at the 3. This one is stock item. Let's make sure that's right. At the stock items table, and we have stock item ID there. And we are looking at the average selling price. And we have stock item, stock group. We have stock item ID that we can lay them together. Last edited. We may not use this one, but we have to understand the question very well. And we have stock groups. We have stock group name. From stock group, we have stock group ID. We can link it to stock group ID from the stock item stock group. And from the stock item stock group, we have stock item ID that we can connect to the stock item. So let's go back to the question. NM, have you finished?
Ma?
Wow, how far?
No.
Staying in storing, okay. Where's the question?
340 something out of 700. I can't see.
Oh, no. I want to go back to the question. I'm not seeing it. Let me go and open it again. Open. Roman loan. Okay, this is it. So I need to create, let me push it on side here. So you can put your output side by side. So let me open the question. Find the average selling price for each stock group. For each stock group. So let me open the stock group first. This stock group. Stock item. Mr. Abu, look from your side too. If you understand the question, we can. Stock item group. Yeah. Good. Let me close this part. So this stock item stock group. So we have stock item ID here that we can leave to the stock item here. And so we are trying to the average selling price by stock group. So first, let's start with from.
I think we can use sales dot invoice line because it has stock item ID.
Okay, let me see.
It is just that stock, that one with stock group doesn't have but it has last edited by.
It starts last edited by. Come on.
So that last edited by can be used to join them.
Sorry, I'm trying to open I close it and yes. So if you want to, you come to view here You click. Now that I close the object explorer here, and I'm trying to open it again. So you come here and click here. It will bring back your this thing. So let me close this solution explorer. There is property. So you said that I should open sales dot invoice line.
Yes.
Okay. So the invoice
It was
line, stock item
last
ID.
edited by.
Yes, we can use that too. Yeah. How can we
So
write the
with
query?
first of all, from the two invoices I want to join, the two tables that I want to join.
From sales dot invoices invoice line
Invoice lines as
as SO or
I use.
SI.
Okay, I think we used SI before.
Oh yes, SI.
Join
Join stock, right? No,
stock warehouse.
we are using three tables.
Okay,
We are looking into the stock group and stock item. Because the question said
okay,
that find the average selling for each stock group.
okay.
So we are joining three
So
tables.
okay, the item was, where did you see item the other time?
Item from stock item.
Stock items
Yes,
system. So
join
I think
warehouse.
stock group will come first.
Okay.
Warehouse dot stock groups.
Yeah, before we select the stock group, from the invoice line, we have stock item. So let's go and check the stock group. Do we have stock item there that we can use as a unique to join the two tables?
You have stock ID. You see.
Let me see. Stock
Where
group.
no, it's last edited. It doesn't have. It
So we
only
cannot
have
use last edited. We have to use a unique value from the two tables. That is why I want to join
okay,
with stock item first. After joining with stock item, I'll do another join to join stock item with stock group.
okay.
You get me? So
It's okay.
yeah, you look for the unique value between the two
Between two
tables.
of them.
Yes, if you
Okay.
do not find the unique value from the two table, you can use another table to join the last table. If the middle table has the unique item that can join the last table.
Okay.
Yeah. Warehouse dot
Items.
stock items as WS.
WS.
And we say it together. WS. So and so we are joining it on what?
On stock ID. Item ID or thereabout. Stock item ID.
Um C dot stock item ID or stock ID.
Stock item ID.
Okay, stock item ID.